Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, we have this hair straightener. It is not working. When we power on, it does not heat up the heater element here in both sides. Let's check it. Set multimeter to ohms to check resistance and power on this switch. Here is a switch, power on. Connect both leads to test. Multimeter is okay. Now connect both leads to the input terminal, input cable. Change the switch position. It is the same. It is not reading any resistance, so that means there is something wrong in the straightener. Let's check it. We have screws here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, too much twist here. Oh, yes, we can see this wire is damaged from this point. We can check the cable continuity. One wire to one side, it's okay. One lead to the second side. Oh, the wire is okay, just only we have disconnection here. Now we will connect this wire here in this point. The circuit is very simple. Here it have heater resistance in this side. The same heater resistance is here. Just only from this switch. When we power on, it will provide these voltage. One line is going directly. The second line through this switch, it will go in this heater, line and neutral, and in the rear side, this line will go to this heater. This line for this heater. Just only we have two resistors here. It have 358 ohms resistor, this and this in parallel. Now I placed this grommet here, we will lock it. It's okay now. First of all, we will check the input resistance. We have 342 ohms. Now connect one lead to one input terminal, and with this tab and this tab, no short circuit, it must be open. We can now power up. Now it is heating up. I will use thermocouple to check the temperature, either it is heating up or no. To measure temperature, degree centigrade, Fahrenheit. This tab is heating up. Now we will check this side. 40 degree, 43, 44, 45 degree. That's nice. It is heating up. If this video is good, hit the like button. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.